Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we will unbox and talk about hybrid ND/CPL filter from Freewell, the content of the box, how to set the ND filter, who needs the ND filter and why. So if you are a pro photographer or you are new into photography, watch till the end of this video. Firstly, I'll be excited to announce to you guys about our first YouTube deal. That is this variable ND/CPL filter from Freewell. We will drop a link in the description below for you to use and check them out. Check their products on Amazon. This is the Freewell hybrid variable ND/CPL filter 3 to 7 stop. It has a magnetic effect and the ND filter gives you the true color of your images. The Freewell variable ND/CPL filter comes with a box. So this is their installation instruction. This is a manual. So okay, this is lens cleaner. This is what you use to clean your lens. And this is their installation manual. This is a tutorial video of how to use it. So you can actually use your phone to scan this and get a tutorial video and watch their videos. It comes with these two of this pin. It comes with 2 of this pin for tightening, and then this shoulder. This is the filter. This hook, use the hook to pull it out. This is the filter. This is the ND filter itself, and then it has this ring. You can use it to tighten the diameter of your ring. Okay, let me just show you guys how it does. So let's assume now that I want to attach this to my 50mm. My 50mm. And the 50mm is 77. I told you guys it's 77mm. So this is the one for 50mm. So I bring this thing out. Yeah, this is the one for this 77. So what I'll do is I have to bring out this guy out. It has magnets. So I just like bring it out, then attach this guy. But due to the fact that this thing has magnet, I need to lose this. Now so it will enter perfectly. So you have entered perfectly. So the reason why you will have to tighten it back is so it doesn't fall off from your camera. You get here. So now this is my lens here. I have to tighten it to my lens. So now I have to tighten it to my lens. This is the filter here. Then I attach it to my camera here. So this is how this guy works. This is how this very one works. For this 24 to 70, we have this another one inside this. We bring out this guy. Okay, what's this guy again? Okay, this is the base of it too. Each of them have their respective bases. So you just bring this guy and then attach it to here, this place. Okay, I think it goes like this. Yeah, then you tighten it. The essence of you tightening it is so it doesn't fall away from your camera, you know. So that is it. Then you tighten it here. And trust me, the way you use this is before you tighten this, you can rotate this guy to get the setting you want. You get, yeah. So basically, what ND filter does to lens is just like what sunshade does to human eyes. it reduces the amount of light that enters the human light. Likewise, what ND filter does, it reduces the amount of light that enters the lens. So in that way, if you want to shoot wide aperture like 1.2, 1.8, you want to shoot very wide aperture under a very hot sun. And the reason why most of us shoot very wide aperture under hot sun is a situation where you want to get a blurry background. The background is not too fantastic, so you want to blur it out. Then you shoot at a very wide aperture, 1.2 or 1.4 depending on your lens, and then ISO 100 because the hot sun. And then when you use ND filter, it will help you to achieve what you want to shoot. So that is what ND filter does. Okay guys, I will show you a practical example of how to shoot with Freewell ND filter. So the camera I'm shooting with here is Canon EOS R5, and the lens I'm shooting with is 50mm 1.2. Normally we shoot with Godox AD200 Pro, but because we are shooting with Freewell ND filter, we won't shoot high-speed sync. This is the object I'm shooting with. This is what I will use to demonstrate the effect of shooting with ND filter. I'm shooting ISO 100, my aperture is 1.2, then my speed is 1/160. So to get a brighter image, you have to move the light closer here. Okay. It has an adjustable features where you can adjust and get to the perfect setting you want. And then once you get there, you tighten the bolts. That does. You can, even in a broad daylight, you can just reduce the intensity of the light and then shoot. You see how it is. You see, I can just choose to, adjust it. You see, you can adjust it to this way, or you bring it down and then shoot. So look at an image now. I'm shooting ISO 100. I'm shooting ISO 100, speedy 160, aperture 1.2. Then let me remove the ND filter and show you shooting the same image, so you see the effect of shooting with the ND filter, what it does to your image. Shooting with the same setting, you see what it looks like. Just removing the ND filter, look at what the image looks like. Another package that the company sent to us is diffusion glow mist 1/4 filter. So how this one works is we attach it on top of variable ND/CPL filter. It adds glow to the light in your background and makes it more beautiful. So look at what it looks like here. Okay guys, thank you for watching to the end of this video. If you have any question or something you don't understand, you can drop your question on the comment section. And our next video will be dropping a video of how we shot these beautiful images with ND/CPL filter. Stay tuned.